Alrighty, y'all. Here's the last 6 of these. Again, I like to draw a line through the equal sign. That way we know where the letter is. It's on the left side, and we have C. We're multiplying C by 9 and adding 1. So just take the C, and we said times 9 plus 1, and all of that equals 10. And then when we work our way backwards, take the 10, instead of plus 1 it's minus 1, instead of divided by 9, or instead of times 9 is divided by 9. And then your answer, well, you have 10 take away 1 is 9, 9 divided by 9, 1. So the answer is 1. Here you have B. Oh man. B is times 6. I said oh man because I didn't leave the space here, but oh well. Minus 5. And then all of that equals 7. Let me fill in my arrows, they look better. And then when you go backwards, it's 7. Instead of minus 5, we're going to put plus 5. Instead of times 6, we're going to put divided by 6. And then we'll see what our answer is. So 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Not too bad. Let's jump down to 12. We're going to start with D. We have D times 3 minus 4. D times 3 minus 4. And all of that equals 8. So start with the 8. When we go backwards to solve this, backwards means opposite operations. Plus 4 divided by 3. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 divided by 3, 4. Start with the M. Remember this fraction here, just think division. So M divided by 5. Then we have the plus 9. And then all of that equals 11. So then let's work our way backwards. 11, instead of plus 9 is minus 9, instead of divided by 5 is times 5, and then we'll have our answer. So 11 take away 9, that's easy, that's just 2, and then 2 times 5, well we can do that in our head, 2 times 5 is 10, and then that's the answer there. Again, pause it if you need to pause it. I'm going to raise it so we can do the last two. Here's the letter, you have X, and then we're multiplying 7 to X, and then after you multiply by 7 you're adding 13, and then all of that equals 27. So let's work our way backwards. 27 minus 13 divided by 7. And let's go 27 minus 13. I believe that's 14. I'm going to write that down just so I can remember. And then 14 divided by 7 is 2. Okay. Now notice I haven't been writing this number down because most of the time I can remember it. But this 27 minus 13, that's a head scratcher. That's 14. And just so I could remember, I wrote it down there. Most of the time I can remember, but sometimes I cannot. So here's the letter, it's N, so I'm going to write N. And if you look at this one's slightly different than the division one up here. See, if you look, N is together in the numerator with that minus 31. So the next thing we do is minus 31. And then both of those is being divided by 4. Okay, and then all of that equals 2. So now let's work our way backwards. Take the 2, instead of divided by 4 times 4, instead of minus 31 plus 31, and then let's do this. 2 times 4 is 8. I can remember that. 8 plus 31, 39. And that's it. Pause it if you need to pause it. You can always rewind it to watch it again or to listen to the explanation again. That's it.